Okay, let's go here. Welcome to Crown Showdown! Starring Ralphie, Abigail, Sammy, Wendy, and Rams Kyle. Welcome to Crown Showdown, where one player will rule the day and the others will rule it. But first, pesky rules. Let's go! Done deal? Setting set? Now that you know the rules, one Crown Showdown coming up! Truly and absolutely! So without any further jibber jabber, it's time to kick off this Crown Showdown! Now for our first minigame, let's see if you royal competitors beat royal pains out there. Spin the wheel! Okay, just hope the game will be something. Oh, that's easy. Oh, great, I'm together with Marset. I-decorate namin yung cake. Utay na talaga. Ate, ito yung balak ha. Punta tayo sa bakery. Mag-decorate tayo ng cake. Para Cholis, kumain tayo ng cake. Tapos kung nakatapos tayo, kumain na tayo. Huwag tayo i-share. Yun yung gusto ko. Okay, let's go! Yan! Tapos na yung saan. Ayos! Inuwanan namin kung tayo mo. Hello. Hello. Good job on your project. Now you can eat it. And share some to me, because I need some cake. Yummy. And that's so far so good. Now let's move on to the next minigame. Spin the wheel! What's the game gonna... Oh, great. I love flying on airplanes. Yeah. Why don't we kill all of you? Oh, no, you don't. You're never gonna kill me. You know why? Because I'm a legit flyer, you see. Watch this, yo. Don't you dare take me away. Do you still? Or Rans Kyle? Hoy, Rans! Ayan, mga gawa, Rans Kyle. Tayo mo, oh. Ano na? Hinatayin mo yung dalawang best buddies ko. Parang, ay, sakit! Tayo mo! Isang net na ako, tayo mo! Mag-survive na ako, mga gawa. Tayo mo. Nagtago, huwag ka na pumunta dito. Alis ka na dyan, puwisit. Survive ka, tayo mo. Wala kang kwenta. Nagtago ka, bro! Tayo mo, marami na dyan matapos. Yan! Survive! Tayo mo! Yay! We're the winners! That's great, you three! Now that's what I call progress. Now that Ramscow will never defeat us. I'm ruined! Shut up! Iyo mo, bro! Okay na sa atos! Wala kang kwenta! Utay ka mo! the next game, people. Spin the wheel. Just make sure it's Adi. Oh, that's so easy. Great. At least I still got a chance with Ate Marian. Marian. Or Marian Osabel. Or Ate Hannah. Or Ate Jessica. You know the rest. Or Ate Iya. Dito na tayo mga kapuso. Or Bernadette Santos. Or Sabriano. Yan! Tapos na tayo! Nagtado! Same time na naman! Ay, naku, sino yung una? Yun talagang tanong! Bilisan na namin! Babatayin natin yung king! O yung queen! Tapos! Utang mo! Lahat kayo mga squatter! Nagtado ka! Yan! Ako yung panalo mga gawa! Utang mo na kayo! Mga salbahe kayo, mga squatter! Rack in! Now let's move on to the next minigame. Spin the wheel! Oh great. That's so easy. Oh my gosh, I think we're gonna end up with a draw. Who would have thought? Tapos! Panalo naman tayo! Ang galing namin, di ba, Mikey Quintos? Tingnan mo na naman si Lauren King at saka si Kuya Stel. Hinahin na ng isda, putay kasi ha! Mga bobo, mga tantado, mga walang kwenta. Tantado, mga buwisit kayo. Lalo na ikaw, Ruben, putay mo! Wala kang putos! Putay mo! On to the next minigame! Spin the wheel! Oh, ano na? Yun na naman tayo! Mario, we're teammates again! I know at the Casey Tandingan, I just do not know why this is always the trend. Or Shubi Atata, or Faith Da Silva, or Rabia Mateo. Iwan ko mo bakit ganito na naman tayo? Bakit kakabay na naman tayo? Ano, parang body sa tayo? Mamatay ka na, Farley. Tarantado ka? Putang mo. Tarantado ka, Farley. Tarantado ka, Angela. Bulag ka, putay mo. Hoy! Kylie Padilla, kaya ba yan? Ay, naku, tarantado. Nandito na naman ako sa lalaki. Putay mo, Alderic. Lumabas ka na dito, tarantado ka. Alis na ako. Alis! Putay mo, bro. Ay, naku, tarantado ka. Tarantado! Ouch! Huwag na... Yan! Utain mo! Yaha! I'm the winner! Nye! Utain mo! Tarantado ka! Sabihin mo kay Jeremy! Tarantado na lang yung utak niya! Eh di yung bumuda ko to! Magsubong na ako kay Jeremy! Yung ka na talagang kalakuhan mo! Binibwisit mo ako na talaga! At ako na naman yung panalo with Teacher Aileen! Oh, Teacher Ai! Ito naman si Rafi palagi nagmura. Ruben, palagi na lang ganun si Rafi. I'll talk to Rafi.
On to the next. Rafi. Ano na, Teacher Eileen? Pwede huwag ka namang mura. Nainis na to eh. I'm happy that we're teammates. Kaya lang palagi ka nagmura. Pati sa internet pa. Sorry. Anong sorry? Huwag na tayo mag-sorry. Putay na talaga. Eh di huwag na tayo mag-sorry. Putay mo. Next minigame na tayo. Masalbay kayo. Putay mo ano yung kinit ko. Nagtago. Mga bobo. Mga gago. Mga epal. Mga buisit. Mga spin the wheel. Putay na kayo. Dahil kayo mga squatter kayo. Nagtalo dito na kayo sa squatter na playoffs. Sana huwag na tayo sibihin naman wala. Okay, fine. I'll be generous. I think Draven hasn't even won a single point yet. Nyeh. Nyeh. I'll try to connect all the balls as fast as I can. Go for it, yo. But actions is louder than words. Because you may never know that someone else might get the ball. Okay, balls. Almost there. Whoa, up there? No, it's right here. Hey, where are the balls? Nasaan yung bola? Ito na, sa kilid. Uy, giliw. Ito yung giliw ko. Nagtado, nasaan na? Yan, malapit na ako. Who's winning na? Sino panalo dyan? Aming bola dito. Aming buhaw. Lapit na ako matapos. Yan, lapit na. Wow! Hanep! 50 na agad! Ang galing naman ni Jana! Swerte! Oh, I won! Yay! And the winner is Sarah! Yes, I won! That's great! Just don't let that piece of moron, that Skylar Martin, win. Okay, what's the next game? Please make it. Oh, another 2 versus minigame. I expect that my teammate will be someone else. Oh, great, finally. You know what, it happens all the time. I'm always teammates with an Ate or Sandra Park or, you know the rest. But it's good that we're teammates, Naomi Park. Let's go. Here we go. You better catch us now because we're on a date. All right, Jaya. Selena, we're getting there. Yay! We did it, Selena. That's awesome. And the winner is Rafi and Liana. Good job, Waynona. That's what I call progress. Even Zame, Sophie, yeah, you know the rest. Yaha! I'm so close to win. I just need to get one more. Yaha! One more game should do it. This is the last one. Now just look at my face while we spin the wheel. Look at my face. You'll be playing Gun the Runner. Tantado yung Joko! Dapat nabunin ka yung Joko! Weh, sa mo kaya habunin mo ako? Ano ba kaya, Farlin? Well, all 3 of us here, Rafi, Ranskyle, and Glyza will catch you now. That Farlin, that Andrea. Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna get there first. Mark my words. You will never do it, because I got a plan. Taas. Tago. Huwag kang sasakay. Huwag kang tatalon. Nagtado. Hoy, mali! Dapat mo nasa taas siya. mo siya. Mapunta na siya sa finish line na agad. Ay, naku, tayo na talaga. Pero okay lang yan. I'll give her another chance.
See? I told you I made it to the finish. Your shots are too slow.
Well, it's up to that Naomi Park was able to do everything.
Yay! I won! Thanks, Mario.
You're welcome.
Mwah.
I'm so close to it now, but just wait for the moment. Okay, the last game is... Yay! What? I'm with Bruce.
Yeah. Now your team is with me, Robbie. What can you say? We're gonna be teammates and we're gonna win. I'm gonna win a point.
Let's do this, yo. Okay. Come on, Rats. We're getting there. Ang tago, ayaw ko na talaga kumuha yung joke ko ng bola na yan. Akin na yung bola ko. Hoy! Nasaan na? Yan, dalawa na. Defense out. Ay, nako, tarntado. Sorry, Liana. Sayo G, dito na. Okay, Bruce, we're almost there. Excuse me. Yan, tapos! Good job, bro! That's what I like to see. Rappy and Skyler won that minigame. That wraps up Crowd Showdown. And this showdown's winner, all hail Yaha! I'm the winner! I'm the winner, everybody! Yaha! I'm the winner! Good job, everybody! And that's how you play Crowd Showdown! What can you say about the game?
Oh, Mario, that was great. I was so close to beating you up, but after that, I just stopped up to there.
That's great, Mommy Nina. Mommy Nina Rayos. What about you, Andrea Bofield or Angela?
Oh, Mario, or Francine, this was the best game ever. How sweet. Let's do it again someday.
Why, sure, Kathleen and Waynona and Jaya or Charlene, no problem. What about you, Skyler?
Yeah.
Enough with the bad words and just play fair. That's what I was about to do. Now, don't forget to... Now, friends, you know what to do. As you look to the camera, you know what to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to turn on that post notification. And toast and a comment if you want to get some shoutouts.
Bye, guys!